We're now going to convert the different forms of the line. So suppose that we do the work and we find out that our equation is y minus 3 equals 2 times the quantity x plus 2. And the first thing that we want to do is convert to slope-intercept form. Well, slope-intercept form looks like y equals mx plus b. So the first thing we're going to do is distribute. So y minus 3 equals 2x plus 4. And then we're going to add 3 to both sides so that y equals 2x plus 7. Here's my slope-intercept form. And that's the form that we generally want to use. We start at 7 for our graph, and it goes up 2 over 1, or down 2 to the left 1, and so on and so forth, allowing us to get the information we want from it. Well, we could go a step further, and we could convert to general form. And here in general form, remember, general form is ax plus by plus c equals 0. So all we're going to do is we're going to subtract 2x and subtract 7 and write it in order from both sides. So we get our x first, then our y, then our z, and we set that equal to 0. And now we're in general form. Well, knowing that, we could also start in general form, and this happens more often than not. 3x minus 4y plus 12 equals 0. And if we want to go to slope-intercept form, then the first thing we're going to do is subtract a 3x, subtract 12. That gives us a minus 4y equals minus 3x minus 12. Let's divide everything by a negative 4, and a negative divided by a negative is a positive, so that gives me y equals 3/4 x minus 12 over minus 4 is plus 3, and now I'm in slope-intercept form. Now there is one sort of advantage that this general form has over the slope-intercept form, and it's mostly because we need to make one change to it. If I subtract the 12 only, then I can get my intercepts really easy, because my x-intercept comes by letting y be 0. So I get 3x equals minus 12, or x equals minus 4, so I get a point minus 4, 0. And my y-intercept comes from plugging in a 0 for x, so we get minus 4y equals minus 12. When we divide that, we get y equals 3, so I get a point at 0, 3. And so if I do this, then I can get my intercepts really easy from this form, but only if both the 3 and the 4 divide into the 12. Only if the a and the b divide into c evenly will I get my intercepts. But that's how we convert forms. Make sure you can go both ways, both to slope-intercept form and to general form. Notice that we're not going to point-slope form, because you need a point in order for point-slope form to work, and we're not going to worry about coming up with points. We're just going to worry about getting the whole equation one way or the other.